Hello, my wonderful people. How are you all? Welcome back to my kitchen and my channel Archie Chowdhury. So, friends, who doesn't like cakes? I have not seen anyone who doesn't like cakes, and that too a homemade cake, which is the best with no frosting and no much sugar and all healthy ingredients, and it comes out so delicious. So, friends, I'm taking all-purpose flour here, like 1 cup. I'll take more than a cup actually. So this is 1 cup. This is another cup. It came out like 2 cups. I'll finish the whole flour today. So friends, I had overripe bananas which I stored them in the freezer some days back. They were too overripe. So friends, I'm taking like 3 bananas which are overripe and they are frozen. So friends, I just microwave them for 1 minute. So friends, I take a little sugar, not much. It's just a 1/4 cup. I add little sugar too. Friends, this is whole wheat flour with ragi flour, red millet flour, and little oats powder in it. I'm adding this also like 2 handfuls. So friends, I've thawed my bananas and they melted very well. These were overripe bananas. I'm just mashing them little with my fingers because I like it when I do everything with my fingers and it's easier. Friends, I'm adding it now. I've added it well. I clean the bowl so well. So friends, I'm mixing the flour. Little water. I don't know how much water it is. It says 4 ounce. I won't be mixing all, or I'll be mixing all, I'm not sure. But let's see, friends. I'm adding water. So friends, I didn't use all the water. I'm still left out with the 2 more ounces of water. So I leave it aside. I just mixed it so well that the consistency is so good. See, friends. So friends, I've just greased up little. I'm rubbing. Let's dance, friends, now. Now dancing time, cooking time, fun time. So friends, all these are greased out. I've coated them well. So everything is coated, friends. I just keep a tissue so that I can just wipe it and not use my clothes much. So I just take a spoon now and I'll be pouring it, friends. We don't need this. I think, friends, will add little more water because it's absorbed. So friends, now I just take it and start pouring. Don't fill it till the top because they might swell up also, and these are without eggs and eggless banana muffins. So these are like breakfast things. Everybody will love them for breakfast and you don't need much. So we are baking, we are keeping it on bake for 350 and we say start. So friends, my oven is already 350 degrees done. I'm putting this in the oven, friends. Keeping it at the lowest one so that it gets cooked well. This is my second pan. Now I close it and I let it be there for 20 minutes. Let's set up the time. So at least 20 minutes. We'll do it for 25 minutes. Start. Yes, friends. So now it will bake in 24 minutes. I'll show you how it came out and how yummy it looks. Okay, friends. See you in 24 minutes. So, friends, it's almost done. I will off the oven now. So, friends, I'll check if the cake is done. Muffins are done. Banana muffins. Yeah, I'll just put a fork and see. Oh friends, they are cooked so well. They are cooked very well. Yeah, it's cooked. So friends, I'm taking a knife to take out the edges. Friends, it looks like we don't need the edges to be removed. It's coming out without knife itself. Friends, see how amazing it is. So I don't even need to. I think it will just drop. See friends, it's just dropping by itself. Ouch. See friends, it just fell by itself. I didn't have to do it. Only got because we greased it with one drop of oil. See friends, how nice and fluffy and netty it looks, friends. It's so yummy. It smells delicious, friends. Hardly we used whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour 2 cups, and 1 cup of whole wheat flour, ragi flour, millet flour. So friends, and 3 overripe bananas, and only half a cup of sugar. And this is how it looks, friends. I'll cut and show you. See friends. Oh my, it's so good, friends. See, so good. Looks so delicious. Can you see the red millet flour? It's so, see friends, how spongy it is. It's pressing in my fingers so well, friends. See, it's bouncing back so well. See friends, how nice it is. Have friends. So friends, you had. Now let me have this. I'm not a sweet tooth person. I don't like to eat sugary stuff much. But here it is. I'll try this. So friends, it's so good. It's really giving that banana bread feeling. It's a very good breakfast, I must say. Without eggs. Such a good achievement, friends. No eggs. Perfect for a vegetarian person. So friends, how easy it was to do banana muffins, and the only one thing was less in it was walnuts. If there were walnuts, it would have really come like the store-bought one, and nobody could have told that these are not store-bought and it is homemade without eggs. And it has even the whole wheat flour and red ragi flour, and which is the red millet flour, so which are healthy flours, and it had overripe bananas, and bananas, as you all know, how many antioxidants and good for health benefits banana has. So friends, how easy it was to do. So hope you enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed, please like it, share it, and subscribe it, friends. See you all. Good night. Bye.